Good morning. I kind of spontaneously decided to wait a sec. I've spontaneously decided to vlog today because I think I'm gonna do some nice things. I need to change my bedding again. I need to kind of tidy up my room a little bit, like vacuum the carpet and stuff, because I've been working for like 3 days straight, because the way I work is that I don't go to work like on certain days or something, but like there's an event and when it happens we need to do something with it. I can't really give too much information about it, and so I've been literally just sitting at my desk with my computer working all day long, so I couldn't do other stuff. I almost didn't even leave the house. Just yesterday I went for a walk because, as you can see, it's sunny again and it's a little bit snowy. Like there's a little bit of snow finally, and it's just like the perfect combination. And I think it's finally been cold enough for the, what is it called? The pond, I guess, to freeze. And so maybe we could ice skate on it today. We're gonna attend with my sister and my friend today. What else? I want to film ideally 2 other YouTube videos because I have another work event. I think it might start tonight or maybe tomorrow morning. I don't know yet. So I need to use this time before I start working again, because I've been excited for this for couple of days now. I might also go for a walk again because it was just so pretty. My dog needs to get out his energy because, like I said, I haven't been leaving the house too much, and so I need to make up for it. So now we're gonna go eat breakfast. I think I'm gonna have white yogurt with some cereal and banana, and then we'll go from there. I might change my clothes and then go film the videos, but the problem is in my room there's not a lot of light or a lot of sun, so maybe I'll film it in the other room. That's actually not a bad idea, or here in the living room, honestly. I don't know. The thing is, I have my big tripod at my mom's, and I have one other one, like a small one that's not too steady. I'll have to figure it out. I'm gonna put it directly in the cup because there's not a lot of yogurt left, and so then I like to just put it all in there instead of getting another bowl dirty, you know. Oh, and chia seeds. Chia seeds are good, I think. Okay, better. So my friend just called me and we're gonna go ice skating right now. I'm gonna finish eating breakfast. I don't know if we should bring the dog because we're gonna go to, like, I think it's in the middle of a forest. Not like in the middle, but in the forest. And I think he could have fun with us there. And I don't think there should be a lot of people. Well, I wanted to say that it's the morning, but it's literally 11:07. So in Spanish terms, it would be morning. We have a different word. I don't think there's a word in English either. Like, you know, as there's afternoon in English, we also have a word in Czech of like pre-noon, like for the first half of the day, or like until before, what is it called? Midday, I guess. Really, really good. Gator! Det med Bruce Lee! filmed one video, which is gonna be that for today, because I got a headache and I don't really feel good, and I'm tired from, I think it's from the being outside and like being on the fresh air for a good amount of time, because I haven't done that in a long time because I've been working. But at least I filmed one video, technically two, because I'm filming the vlog, you know, so technically it is two. And the other one, it's supposed to be like my goals for 2024, and I wanted to even do like, what is it called, the little table, why am I so bad at this today, vision board. It's called a vision board, because a lot of people have been doing them, and I've done them I think twice in my life, and I just really loved like having it behind my desk and just seeing what I have on there, and then maybe at the end of the year to see if anything came true. So it's a little bit too late, because I mean, even now it's like halfway through January. It's like even after mid-January at this point. But you know what, I don't care, because those goals, I don't like the word New Year's resolutions. I don't know. I'm gonna talk about it in that video probably, but I don't mind setting some goals, because I have a couple that I really want to keep and follow through, and so I want to put it out there, so I'm actually being held responsible for them. And now what am I gonna, maybe I will go read for a little bit before my work starts, because I might start soon. I still have to finish the book the book Man and Boy from the second. Well, the video actually came out today, my second YouTube video, where it's like a day in the life, and I was reading the book there. I was reading some quotes, and I still haven't finished it because I wanted to read a book on my Kindle, but I'm almost at the end of the book, so I think I might go and not finish it, but read. This is like an amazing representation of my life. You know, I just said I would go read for a little bit before my work starts, and as I'm cleaning up, putting my books away again, and like taking down all the stuff for filming, an email came from my boss that my work has started again. And I mean, I'm glad that it has. I'm really grateful, because I literally have a job. That's all I can say about this. But I wanted to rest for a little bit. I wanted to lay in bed. It's fine. So I'm gonna, instead of reading, I'm gonna go work right now. And I think I'll work until like 9 p.m. and maybe then I'll read for a tiny little bit before I go to bed. Because like I said, I don't have working hours. I can basically work whenever I want. It's really hard for me to like set the rules, because it really just depends on me when I work, and then based on that, how much I make. So I always like push myself more and more to work more and more. But I think 9 p.m. or at least like 9:30 is my furthest limit until when I work, and then I go to bed because I need my sleep. So I guess that's what I'm gonna go do. I wanted to film me, and instead I filmed this beautiful glass of water that I have here. That's how tired I am today. Okay, one more time, because I am so tired. I'm refilming this video for like the third time now, because I wanted to tell you that I wanted to film myself, and instead I filmed this beautiful jug of water. And then when I filmed telling you this, I realized that in my glasses it was reflecting like my work, which I can't show you. And so I'm gonna do it again. I wanted to show you my beautiful blue light block glasses that I've been using for some time now, because I put them on when I work on the computer for a longer time, so it's easier on my eyes. So here you go. And now let's work. Why does he always go to these weirdest places? Hello? Hello? Co to je? Co to je? To by k tomu řekneš anglicky.
It's nothing.
Update. Tam otoč. Co to dělá? Já tam nevidím. Good. Paráda. Někde se podívej. Good morning. These are my exercises to help with headaches. I should do them every morning, which I really try, but sometimes when I'm in a hurry or all of a sudden we do something in the morning, I tend to forget, and that's not good. Because I think these exercises actually really do help, because I went to physiotherapy this summer to fix my stuck back, and then I asked for these exercises because they help my friend, so I have to do them. I haven't stretched properly, like my whole body, in such a long time, and I really want to do it, but you know, life, which is just an excuse. So apparently today is about go big or go home. I've never washed the actual like cover of the mattress because I have like a protective thing, like a protective sheet on the mattress. Then I have the actual like normal sheet and the bedding. So today I'm gonna try to wash it. For breakfast we have some leftover crepes from the mess that was made yesterday. Not the best batch we've ever done. I think the problem was that my sister like over stirred the dough, and then it had a lot of foam, so then when you put it in the pan the foam kind of disappeared, and maybe also it was too liquid. I don't know. We just came back from a walk. Of course I forgot to film again, but we went on an 1.5-hour walk with the dog, and now I'm gonna cook lunch. I think I'm gonna make broccoli soup, and we're gonna go clean the bathroom, my room. Basically it's a cleaning day. Yes. I made broccoli soup. Me and my sister, we made broccoli soup kind of from scratch. I mean, obviously, but because I've always loved broccoli soup, it's been my favorite since childhood because my dad makes a really good one. But this one was just like, I just grabbed the broccoli, cooked it, and then added whipped cream, is it called? Or just cream, it's not whipped, I think. It's like the cream for cooking. Added that, added garlic, salt, and some herbs. And it was actually really good. Like with the cherry tomatoes and the toasted bread, it was just really easy and fast. So I might put it in my recipe virtual book that I have in my head. Cook it more often because it was really good. It kind of tasted like, if you add less of the cream, you can use it as a pasta sauce because it almost tasted like spinach. So I recommend you can try. think I'm gonna end the vlog here. The weekend vlog. I don't even know if I explained, but I turned the video into like a weekend vlog because I thought I would be working all Sunday, all today, and then in the end we finished work last night, so I was able to do other stuff today. We cleaned almost the whole house with my sister because it really needed it. When I team up with my sister like to do this, we do it really well, really fast. Now in the evening we went to walk the dog again. We quickly ate some dinner. What else did we do? You could see in the time lapse that I was editing some shorts from my last video that came out I think yesterday, so I was cutting up some shorts to post on YouTube as well. And I think now I'm gonna finally go read after a really long time. Hopefully I'll finish the book that you saw literally I think in the video that just came out, and then it also appears in a couple of videos after that because I just haven't been able to finish that book because I was reading on Kindle, blah blah blah, whatever. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You can like, comment, subscribe to continue this vlogging and capturing my life journey, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.